Hey, tater tots! Welcome to my channel, Setare. I'm so excited because today, I'm a simple eater. You guys have been challenging me to get out of the box and experiment and be creative in the kitchen with such simple ingredients. So I'm really proud of myself because today I'm teaching you how to make sweet potato patties, sweet potato burgers. And they're so good, you guys, that when I made them, they were gone. Like I only ate one because the rest of the family smelled them, came in and devoured them. So this is a good sign. It's gonna be very hard for you to let go and share, but maybe you should just make more. The first thing you're gonna need are a few ingredients. Hello! So we're gonna use sweet potatoes. I'm using the typical garnet sweet potato, and you can use about 5 to 6 medium-sized garnet sweet potatoes. This is gonna make like more than 8 patties. So, there's no point in me telling you the servings because you're just gonna eat them all anyway, so, okay. So the next ingredient you're gonna need are carrots, and I used about 5 to 6 large carrots. I used organic, but you don't have to use organic. We're gonna need onion and garlic because, let's get real, that gives everything flavor. And for the seasonings, I'm using 4 different seasonings. I'm using Italian, cayenne, curry powder. Is that all? That's all. Oh, 3 seasoning ingredients. The first thing you're gonna do is turn on the oven to 425 degrees, and while that's heating up, you're also going to get a pot, put some water in it, and start boiling the water while you chop your ingredients. So we're going to chop the sweet potatoes into little squares because this also is gonna make them boil and get soft quicker when they're in smaller chunks. And we're gonna chop the carrots also. You're gonna chop it all up, throw it in the pot of boiling water, and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Once they're super soft, you're gonna drain it, and you're gonna wait for them to cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna mash them together in another bowl. Once those are mashed, you can put those aside and chop the garlic. We're gonna chop the onions, and we're gonna put these ingredients also into the mashed potato carrot mix. So you're gonna mix together all the powders together, the cayenne pepper, the Italian, and curry powder. And this is all to taste, you guys, okay? I don't measure, I'm just like, boom, go cray cray. Mix it all around, and once it's all mixed, we're going to take our tray out of the oven and put parchment paper on it, or you can use a Silpat, and we're gonna make patties. The key here, you guys, is that they're the same size patties, they're the same size, and they're like the same thickness, okay? And you're just gonna place them all same distance apart from each other and pop them in the oven, yes! You're gonna put them in there for about 30 minutes, and then you're gonna pull them out and flip them, okay? You're gonna flip them, put them back in for another 20 to 30 minutes, and bada bing, bada boom, you have your simple, super healthy, pull your patties out. You do everything you can to not share. I'm just kidding. You enjoy them. I ate them like protein style, meaning protein style. God, that takes me back to like the In-N-Out days. I used lettuce as the bun, and I just put onion, thinly sliced onion that was sitting in lime juice on it, and sliced tomatoes, and ate them like that. And they were absolutely scrumdiddly-umptious. If you're sharing it with people that are not on the potato diet, tell them to get on the program. I'm just kidding. You can have them put them on a bun or on like bread, toasted bread or whatever. And to be honest, mine were so good. I'm gonna show off right now, okay? They were gone. Like I had 1 patty, but the family came in at the right time and they loved it, and they're not even vegan. So I'm actually really excited to share this recipe with you guys. So when you make it, make sure to tag me and let me know so that I can share it with other people and show off our glorious creation here. And if you want more super healthy, super easy to make recipes, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to push my red button, and I will connect with you in the comments. I'll connect with you on Instagram, and te amo, te quiero, te adoro con todo mi corazón de melón. I'm so stoked. Make sure to get your potato diet guide for free at setarekatv.com, and I'll see you soon.